Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working in your phone. Let's get started. So first you need to check your mobile data toggle. Swipe down from the top and make sure that your mobile data is turned on. And after that, you can restart your phone because a quick restart can refresh your network connection. You can also check your SIM card. Try removing and inserting your SIM card properly or try switching it to another slot. Then you can select the correct network type. You can go to the settings and select mobile network and click your preferred network type. You can also check your data usage and make sure that your data limit isn't reached. And if it still doesn't work, your SIM might have a temporary issue or no data balance. And that's it. After these steps, your mobile data should now working again in your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.